were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Duncan to 4 miles east of Addington to near Byers to 5 miles southeast of Iowa Park to 7 miles west of Westover, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Thunderstorm watch number. Central Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Carter, Jefferson, and Love. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.